Alright, so this video is to help you all that are working on determining epicenter location for your homework assignment. I want to remind you that while you were in class, you were given 3 different seismographs from an earthquake. In particular, we looked at the one in San Francisco and Southern California. On each of those seismographs, you were supposed to determine the time between the arrival of the P wave and the arrival of the S wave. You took that time, put it into the computer, and then moved on to the next page. You did that for 3 separate seismographs. You then needed to convert that time difference into a distance from the epicenter. To do that, you took your time, traveled up the time axis until you got to the time, moved over to the diagonal line or the curve on the graph, and then moved down and determined the distance of the epicenter from the seismograph. Once you had the distance for all 3 seismographs, the computer then generated the 3 circles around each of the seismographs. So you got a map that looked something like this, and on it there would have been 3 circles. We happened to do one that involved Elko, Nevada, and there was a circle drawn around Elko, Nevada. We also did Eureka, California, and there was a circle drawn around Eureka, California. And then our 3rd spot was around Las Vegas. There's a circle drawn, whoops, that's not a very good circle, drawn around Las Vegas. Where those 3 circles met, which was right about here, was the epicenter location of the earthquake. That is what you need to convey in your explanation of locating epicenter.